Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Offense and welcome to Trendlines Trader. This is the YouTube channel where we do our daily analysis and we sometimes go live. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video. We're gonna do US30. As you can see, our instrument, and we are on 4-hourly time frame. I want you guys to witness something on 4-hourly time frame. Let's just push our chart. Hey, why it's moving so slow? Yes, I want it to be a little bit faster. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's go to this chart and be able to witness what is happening here. I hope you guys are able to see what is happening with my charts, because my charts are a little bit messy, but I want you guys to see this. This was our downtrend. The price broke this resistance and pushed towards the upside. As you can see, now the price is giving us this area as our demand area. That was a little bit a tongue breaking there, but anyway, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So as we focus on this price right here, let's look at this. The price previously gave us this type of structure where it was pushing towards the upside. We traded our Dow Jones as the bullish trend. As you can see, the price was giving us this type of structure where it was respecting the areas, the horizontal areas. So now the price, after broke out of this diagonal support zone, it gave us a push. It pushed towards the downside, and now it has been struggling with recovery or pushing towards the upside, or you can see it as a retest. I hope that makes sense to some of you, or to everyone who is watching. I hope this makes sense, that the price is a little bit messy, but one thing that I want you to witness, we might also have this type of, or use this type of structure. I think I made a little bit mistake there, but it's gonna form it. We might also have to wait and see if we get this type of structure, the head and shoulder. If I'm not mistaken, this could be our structure right here. I hope this makes sense to you guys. I hope this clearly makes sense. I just hope it makes sense. If I'm not mistaken, you can see that, ladies and gentlemen, we had this type of structure, if it's not a old structure. But one thing that I can tell you is that the price broke out of it, and then now we are having a retest. But you can see that the price is giving us another structure right there. As I'm saying, my chart on this instrument is a little bit messy. I hope you guys will understand or be able to follow. As let me use the arrow, I hope you guys are able to see this area right here. Let's go to the line chart and be able to tell if I'm correct. Yes, you can see. Remember the trend line. For you to draw the trend line, you just need 2 points. The third point, if it touches your trend line, it means your resistance or support zone, the trend line, is correct. So we just have to wait for the price to reach here and push towards the downside. If it doesn't respect the area, we just have to witness our US30 pushing towards the upside. But one thing that I want you to be more careful about is that the price seems like it's forming a bearish. It seems like it's forming a bearish flag. I hope you guys are able to see this. And if it doesn't respect this area, it will continue to reach our potential resistance and push towards the downside before, or it will break and push towards the upside. I guess you guys are following. I hope you guys are following. And this is what I want you guys also to witness. Let's go to our RSI, the RSI that I usually use as my indicator, not for overbought and oversold purpose. I'm using it to find a hidden divergence. Where is the price going to go? Let's go back to Japanese candlestick so that you can tell where is our price going. I want you guys to witness something with this type of structure. This type of structure here is giving us it seems like it contradicts itself, because one thing that I see, at some point I see a head and shoulder pattern. I hope this makes sense. At some point I see the price pushing towards the downside, divergence that says the price about to push towards the upside. Look at this. When we do the divergence, we always say look at the price. Let me use the pen so that I can circle easily. Look at this area right here and focus also on this area right here. When we join them, these two areas, what is happening? The other one is giving us a lower low. It's a lower high because the price is trending towards the upside, and here the price is trending towards the downside. This is our lower low. So look at this. It's also happening around here. Clearly this is the downtrend. This confirms this is the downtrend. But if we were having the divergence, we would see the price, we will see the price pushing towards the downside with this lower low, and this would have been something like this. I hope you understand. I hope that makes sense to you guys. But if it doesn't, we will get it later, because I believe there's a point where I will show you. Okay, let me make example the hidden divergence with this example here. Look at this area and this area right here, this point and this point. When you join them together, you can see it's a bullish trend, or the trend line is showing us the bullish trend. And look at our RSI, the very same point in the RSI, it shows us a bearish, and right from where it ends, the price started pushing towards the downside. As you can see, that it was a sign that the price is about to change the position. Let me do it like this. I hope this will be more visible or be more understandable for you guys. Look at this. The price was pushing towards the upside. This is the US30. Don't forget that the price was pushing towards the upside. As you can see, around this level here that I was showing you, the price was pushing towards the upside, as you can see with this trend. And here the price was giving us the trend line, the bearish trend. On the price, it was bullish trend. So clearly it says soon and very soon we will see the price pushing towards the downside. My chart looks a little bit messy, but I hope you guys do understand everything that I'm showing you. Let me do this. I'm gonna try to show you on the line chart. If you are able to see that, this looks more like didn't want that. This looks more like a bullish trend, bearish trend that is forming right there. Let me we are on 4 hourly time frame. What we just have to wait and see, or to wait and witness, you can tell that our price is giving us this bearish trend now. As we are at this level, this could be our potential head and shoulder structure. If we witness the price retesting or pushing towards the downside, we just have to wait for the price to break this area, the demand area that I have right here. If the price breaks this area, as you can see, it's consolidating. If it breaks this area, we will be saying that it's a confirmation of a long time running lower trend, bearish trend. I hope that will make sense. But let's go to the lower time frame and be able to see whether the price is pushing towards the downside or towards the upside, or what to expect on Friday the 8th of April. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. This is what the price is giving us right here. This is what the price is giving us. Oh my line. The price seems like it's been consolidating during the day and broke out of the area, retested. Now it seems like it's gonna push towards the upside. If not, the price will continue to go back inside our consolidation area that we witness. But one thing that I want you to be aware of, this is where the price was making the changes, and this is the price giving us your lower low. As you see, it pushed towards the downside and it gave us the higher low, and now pushed towards the downside. This area broke out of this area to give us this area right here as our lower low. We just have to expect the higher high. If this is not our higher high, our higher low, we should expect it around this area where it will confirm this is our trend, resistance, diagonal resistance, and confirms that it's our bearish trend, as it will respect the area and push towards the downside, break the demand area. Maybe next week we should expect that, but we will see where it's going with that. So ladies and gentlemen, please do me a favor, do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified every time I upload the video. One thing that I want you guys to see is that the price right here seems like it's respecting the area, our previous support zone. It's been broken. Now it's our current actual resistance zone. So if the price continues to respect the area, we might see it breaking our demand area and push towards the downside. We just have to have to wait and see to witness that and be able to trade that area, so that we are not left behind. It's so boring to be left behind. Sometimes we are trading because we have what you call the fear of missing out. We shouldn't have that fear of missing out when it comes to our trading. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to like and share the video with your friends. I'll see you on the next one. I thank you very much for watching.